Students, today we are going to take the more information about properties of indifference curve. This is a very important question for your exam purpose. It will be asked for 6 marks. Let us see the properties of the indifference curve. First one, the indifference curves are downward sloping from left to right. See here, an indifference curve downward sloping from left to right means an indifference curve have a negative slope. The reason behind this is if the consumer has to stay at the same level of satisfaction, the quantity of the one commodity must be decreased when the quantity of other commodity increases. Then second one, a higher indifference curve represents a higher level of satisfaction than a lower indifference curve. See here, an higher indifference curve represents higher level of satisfaction than a lower indifference curve. In the diagram, see here, point R gives the greater satisfaction to the consumer compared to the point S, because a higher indifference curve represents a higher level of satisfaction than a lower indifference curve. Then next one, an indifference curve cannot be downward sloping straight line. See here, an indifference curve cannot be downward sloping straight line. If it is so, then the marginal rate of substitution will remain constant. But the marginal rate of substitution always decreasing, and this is unrealistic, means this is not workable. Then next one, an indifference curve must always be convex to the origin and not concave. See here, an indifference curve always convex to the origin, not concave to the origin. If it is concave, then the rate of substitution will be increasing, and this is unrealistic, means this is not workable. As the stock of commodity falls, our preference for the remaining unit must be increased, but the marginal rate of substitution always decreasing. Then next one, an indifference curve cannot have a bulge. See here, an indifference curve cannot have a bulge. Bulge means this type. If the indifference curve has bulge, then it is clear that the marginal rate of substitution not diminishing, means not decreasing consistently. It means the consumer behaves erratically. Then next property, an indifference curves cannot be parallel. If they are parallel, the diminishing marginal rate of substitution is the same on the all indifference curve. Means as the consumer goes for the higher indifference curve, the marginal rate of substitution will diminish, means will decreasing. But it need not be at the same rate. It can be different. Then next one, indifference curves will not touch either x-axis or y-axis. See here, indifference curve will not touch either x-axis or it will be not touch either y-axis. The consumer is having only X commodity at the point A if the indifference curves touch only the OX axis. If the indifference curve touch only the y-axis, then the consumer is having only the y commodity at the point B. Then next one is indifference curves cannot intersect to each other. See here, indifference curve cannot intersect. Intersect means to touch to each other. Means indifference curves never intersect one another. Why? Because they represents two different sets of the combinations of the two goods and services, which providing unequal level of the satisfaction. So, indifference curves cannot be intersect to the each other. So students, this is all about the properties of the indifference curve. Thank you.